Hey guys, how you doing? I'm so excited to show you this up-to-date, done for you, and really high-quality product on a hot topic to sell as your own. But before I show you the really hot stuff just released to the online market, let me ask you a few questions. Do you actually own a product? Is your product absolutely great? Are you actually making a killing with your product right now? If you own the perfect product, you have in your hands a crazy profit-making machine that you can turn on whenever you want, make money with it as many times as you want, even create a monthly membership as well. But creating a product takes great talent, a lot of time and effort, and of course thousands of dollars. I know you'll agree with me on that 100%. But what if someone who had the expertise, the time, even the money to do it all told you, hey buddy, download my product, put your name on it, send some traffic to it, and keep 100% of the money with you. It's yours, man. Have fun. Wouldn't that be great? That's exactly what this crazy HQPLRstore.com team has done again for the 8th time in launching their latest creation, Tumblr Business in a Box Monster PLR. This is something millions of businesses and thousands of online and offline marketers would kill to get access to. And finally, we as marketers can make some crazy money starting today. By the end of the 7 steps outlined in the training, you and your customers will know everything you need to know to be able to scale up your business online significantly more with Tumblr. Here's exactly what you get, and every single item comes with private label rights. Module number 1, Tumblr Marketing Training Guide, a unique and completely updated 7,000 plus word, 48-page training guide full of examples and highly effective techniques that are so easy to apply. It comes in several text formats. Module number 2, Special Bonus Report. Buyers love bonuses, which gives a lot more value to the product. This report is a completely updated training course containing more detailed and highly effective Tumblr marketing tricks that will add a lot more conversion power to your principal offer. Module number 3, the cheat sheet. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that your customers can print out and use to easily take action at every step of the process. Module number 4, Mind Map. This is a really cool mind map outlining the complete training. This will give an overview to your customers for every step they're going to apply. Module number 5, High Converting Sales Copy. These guys are product creators. They've sponsored a lot of successful launches. They really know how to create a high converting sales letter. And that's what you're going to get in this product as well. Module number 6, Complete Professional Mini Site. It comes with every single HTML page that your product needs. Homepage, terms of use, contact, earnings disclaimer, opt-in pages, download page, even an affiliate page with animated banners and email templates for your affiliates. Module number 7, 3 swipe emails to give to your affiliates. Module number 8, 9 animated banners to grab viewers' attention quickly. Module number 9, complete set of professional graphics. These people are serious about giving you every single thing you need to start making money with this quickly. This includes every single graphic you would ever need to sell your own product. Module number 10, top resources report. Here you'll have access to a complete niche research report talking about top websites, top forums, top blogs, top videos, top affiliate programs, etc. Bonus module, the how to set up everything video. Of course, they won't leave you by yourself. These people really want you to make money with this as soon as possible. So they're going to provide you with a video that will show you the 3 easy steps you need to apply to start making money with this today. We're talking about 11 big modules valued at over $2,000 here within this package. These guys actually sell a single exclusive PLR package like this for $1,000 for their private clients. No joke. But they've decided to give all of it to you for just a really impressive 99% off. But only for the next 24 hours. The price will go up a lot more after the 24 hours have passed. Get access to your package while it's still available for 99% less than its actual selling price, and you'll get access to everything you need to sell your own high-quality product starting today. Click the button below and make a killing selling the most updated and easy-to-apply Tumblr marketing training over the web.